You're welcome. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can trade volatility 75, fix 75 in a very simple way that if you understand this, it's going to be a good mind for you. Two things you want to actually pay attention to with this strategy. Number one is the opening of the day, okay? And the second is also the previous highs and lows that are created the day before. Now let's quickly dive into it. Like we can use any day that we like to look at this market now. In this case now, you can see obviously that today the market has been bearish for a long period of time before. Then it make a pullback on the 17th. Then on the 18th, the market eventually, I believe I'm correct with the date. Let me quickly be sure. So if you bring it here, we know which day is which day. Yeah, I'm right. On the 18th, on the 17th, the market make a pullback. Then on the 18th, the market start returning back to the sell trend, which has actually been before. Now, if I'm actually going to trade this market on the 19th, like I said, the first candle of the day very matters, but also what the high and the low created before. If there is a form of imbalance of high and low, there just have it at the back of your mind that the market will complete that point. No, if you look at this now, this has created a low here. The market has pull up, and on that 18, the market did not trend that much. But on the 19, anybody that is coming into the 19, the first candle of the day matters. It tells you that the market has resumed the bearish. You don't necessarily have to look for the next thing I want to say today. You don't necessarily have to wait. You can take your trade immediately the opening of the day and actually target that part that has not been filled before. That's low in this situation now. The market is bearish, so surely the market is coming towards this low. However, in the situation whereby the market does not make a clarity of the previous day, even though the trend continued in the previous day, but it does not make a significant level that the market have to get to, what you want to make sure is that the first candle of that day, what is the trend? That area, if the trend is bearish, that area that candle actually opens, go and wait for the market there, the opening of that candle. In this situation here, look at here. You can see the day before does not make a tangible expression of the market. But if you actually look at this first candle, the first candle is actually a bearish candle. Okay, the market sold and it creates what do you call it now? It creates a doji candle. Then the next candle immediately validates a buy movement up because the market already touched that zone. Then if you look at it, the market make advance back to that zone. This where is very important. Make a key advance to it, and when you see a bullish candle there, you can now take a buy. Because now there is a clarity about buy, but market make advance towards that zone and market eventually bought. In other areas, you will see clearly also market returning back to those zones, then giving you a good opportunity to now navigate, to take opportunity to take rate. Example is this day. The market moved up, the first candle. Then you notice the market sold, make advance, then this actually came back. The market did not, push above that particular high that the market first of all creates at the beginning of the day. Meaning that if it has make attempt multiple times and it fails, where is the market headed? Sell. And you know the trend naturally before that the trend is a sell, the market resume is sell trend, and you could take that trade at that moment and make your money. Just like that, just like that. Now, you may be asking me, does this mean that you win all your trade? Of course, there's no strategy that give you 100% wins. But if you win most of your trade and your stop are tight, I think that is best. And you don't need indicator, you don't need to actually make your chart look somehow. You are able to see clearly, you are able to analyze, you are able to determine, and you are able to get into the trading, get in early, get out, and make your money and wait for the next opportunity. I think that's beautiful. So if you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and I'll see you again in my next video.